I don't know, but in case it refuses, then we have to leave it alone. So it is on. All right. I hope it stays on until forever. So I'm going to share my screen again. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. So here, so you want to put your details. Then after, your category is adult learner. So select adult learner. Once you select it, of course, you're going to have this field for the name. Sex, you put it. I'll put mine. Okay. Then after that, you come, you put your email. Let's put nuhumutebi@outlook.com. Then after that, you put, now here you can use a PIN or a password. Okay, so you can use a PIN or a password, and it can work. Let me just confirm the recording is on. Just confirm the recording is on. Yes, it is still on. So after that, you tick the box by creating an account. Then do that. Now, for the sake of the people that found us before the recording, you first of all, you search for TotMind Schools. All right. Then after that, you click on this TotMind Schools all feeds. Okay. So once you come there, you now go ahead and hit on register. So and once you hit on register, you scroll down a little bit. You put your full names. I'll put Nuhumutebi Testing. Please use your names as they appear on your national ID, because in case you don't, you're going to have issues. You're going to have issues on your certificate. Okay, so you hit on adult learner because you're an adult. Please don't tick parent, you're an adult learner. In case you become a parent later, that is okay, that will be resolved. Your sex, a male. Then phone number, you put your phone number. Okay, then after that, you put your email. Mine is nuhumutebi at Outlook, put maybe at Gmail and so on. Then after, put your password or your PIN. So I'll put my password. Okay, so after that, check this box and now hit on register. When you hit on register, stay on the page. Please stay on the page, because everything is going to happen automatically. And after that, you're going to be logged in automatically. So you can see, you can save your password for future reference. But you now see, this is my profile, Nuhumutebi Testing. Then also you see, I receive an notifications from Madam Hannah. Okay, this Madam Hannah is the general admin. Then also Scribe telling me that I've been enrolled or added all of these classes. And then also you are enrolled to the orientation module. So everyone gets enrolled into the orientation module first. Then also Madam Hannah can be ready to onboard you, to give you more details, or if not, to do what we are doing here. So of course, down here now you notice, now we call this the TotMind chats. So this is where all the communication happens. So all the communication happens. So you can start a chat here. Let's say Madam Hannah already, because moving forward, you're going to be working with her. So you can just send her a hello. You okay, this is not Madam Hannah. Madam Hannah is here. You can tell her, thank you for onboarding me. Okay, I'm just showing you how stuff works, but in case you prefer the dark mode, you can just tap there. All right, so you can tap there to go into the dark mode, but I'll go into, in the light mode. So this is where the chats happen. Now, what is going to happen? Sometimes Madam Hannah will have to call you. So to call you, now for you to call to start, let's say you want some support, you can start an immediate call or chat with anyone, myself, Madam Hannah, and others. But also we have class groups. Okay, we have class groups that or classes where the communication can happen. So you can do it. Okay? So you can call Madam Hannah. That is how it happens. Okay, so the same thing will happen. So when you call someone, you'll get a ringtone of TotMind Schools chat. Tap green to join. So, and that person will be able to see your call and they can also join. So what I can do now, I can, okay, Madam Hannah, please pick if you're there. I don't know if people can see me and, So you can see it takes a few seconds. She has picked. Hello, can you hear me? I don't know if other people can hear our conversation. But now she has picked and now we are talking, we are communicating, okay? So this is how it works. Let's say you're working and now you are getting a little bit, you are not getting it right. You can ask for support immediately. That is one of the avenues, okay? So other avenues are also there. So that is how we are able to do a chat. You can enable this, for example, I can enable this. You notice this is can be a video, so she can see what's happening. You can do a video chat, okay? You can disable this and so on. So you can also share a screen here. The one sharing a screen the other side, and now you're receiving the support. You're trying to say, guys, I'm trying to run this formula, it's not working. So you can get on a call, you share a screen, and you can get the support, okay? So I'm going to stop this, so entire screen and so on. So that is it. I'm going to stop this. You can see, we know how we message. So Madam Hannah, try to message back. You guys are going to notice a typing indicator here. Okay, you can see that, guys. When online, you can tell. I don't know who this one is. This Jimmy, Jimmy, please. Okay. So you notice she's typing and she's responding. So this thing happens in real time, the same way your WhatsApp actually works. Okay. Please just do a simple message. You are welcome. Happy to have you. You guys have seen that. So she's she typed. So you can also see that she's online. Now let me show you something here. We have this status. You can tell us you're online, you're busy. In case someone needs you, can show them you're busy or you are away. When you are away, you cannot be received. Okay? So you can also update the status. So you've seen how the chats work. You can start conversations. You can ask for help and so on. Now I'm going to switch. Okay. I think after that, I'm going to show you something else. So TotMind Schools, we have our own chat app. We have our own, guys. But this Jimmy guy, we are going to remove you, Jimmy, if you do that again. Eh? You unmute like that again, we shall remove you. Yes, Marvin.
A moment before you close that page.
Yes.
In case now there are very many, there is someone disturbing in the background there.
Let's remove him. Eh? Yes.
Yeah. I was asking now on that very page where Madam Hannah, you are conversing with her. Now, for me who has just opened the account, I found maybe your conversation passed like 1 week ago, and I want to look for Madam Hannah myself to chat with her. Maybe I need some help. Where can I find her on that in this very account now?
So you go here to new conversation. You see this?
Yes.
When you tap on it, then you come here, type or search members. So you can go for, you search for Hannah.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and when you search for her, you're able to, you will see a list. You see she's here.
Oh, yeah.
So you select her. But again, if you already have some conversations, it is going to ask you, are you sure you want to start a new conversation? Then you start it. In case not, then you are also able to start a new conversation. Yes. Then you can send a message and for example, in case after you're done with a module, she has to review to make sure that all is well before people are pushed onto the next. And that is basically the overall purpose of the entire thing.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
So, you're welcome. So I was telling you, so after that you can go to the home page. So this home page looks like this. Now what happened is
Jimmy is again back.
up. Okay. So after everything else, I can see what Joseph has posted in the social center. So you can see there is a social center here. There are 100 people here. I see 16 are online. So probably a few more people have joined in. Okay, people have created their accounts. So I can see that. So of course there are also groups and classes. Okay. I'll install the app and then take you the other side. So after coming, next thing you can do is to install the app. So to install the app, come here around the app bar. Okay. Here, tap on install TotMind Schools community app, then install. Now it is going to take you less than a second for the app to be installed. You guys notice now I'm in the app. So this is the app. Okay, this is the app. So now instead of finding things the other side, you can always find them here. So after doing this, I'm going to close this and now utilize my own account. So you notice so many people are here and so on. So this is how it works. So another thing, sorry?
Would you please restore that app, the procedure for installing the app again?
The procedure for installing the app. Okay, let me come back to TotMind Schools. Now I have the app. I think I'll open a new TotMind. TotMind, okay. Then I have to come to TotMind. So to install the app, just come here at the top. So we are going to make this easier. So if you come for the first time, this install will come. But if it is not your first time, let's say when I reload, that one will go away. So what is going to come is this. So are you able to see this? Are you able to see this icon, which says install TotMind Schools community? So tap on it, then you're able to see this, then you click on install. But again, guys, do not worry, all that is provided in the orientation module. So every one of you, once you sign up, you're going to get access to the orientation module, okay? And that orientation module is going to take you through every little thing that you're going to need for you to succeed at TotMind Schools. Okay. So all right, so I'll come back here. So this is my app, it is there. So what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to show you how do you access lessons. Okay. So I think even before I go there, let me just open this. So the first time you sign up, you come to my courses and you're going to find this official orientation. Okay. So however much we are going through this, please take some time. Let me see how many people are still here. I see 48. Where did the rest of the members go? Okay. So you will just come here, official orientation, and click on it. Then you're going to come to the orientation. This is, you see what I've just showed you, installing the app. Installing the app on desktop, then installing the app on mobile, some juice. So all of them are here. So logging in, when you forget the password, what happens, and so on and so forth. So to start, just click on this, the first lesson. Now, this platform is made for speed and performance, so it shouldn't lag in any way, okay? So in case it lags, maybe it is your internet or something else. So what you do, now you have to go through this one by one, okay? One by one. So after that, for example, here they are telling you when to complete a lesson. Every lesson you finish, click on complete lesson here, which is here. So assuming I'm done with this, of course, you can see there are many other members already who are already with us. So you also come down here and try to add your comment. Then you can complete your lesson after you're done. So you go on to the next. You go on to the next. And this one is for the browser. So in case you don't have Google Chrome, we recommend that you use Google Chrome. In case you don't have Google Chrome, you do install Google Chrome from here. So once you're done with that, go to next. Now the next one is a video lesson. So notice this is a video, and that video will play as soon as it. So you notice this is a video playing, it has some subtitles. Now, not all lessons have subtitles, but now we are working on that currently. So now you notice I'm playing this in full screen. Okay, so here you can go into settings. Of course, you can set captions. You can set the quality. You can leave it to auto if you want it to play based on your speed, but you can also put it to the maximum that is available. Okay, so also you can exit from here, and that is it. So another thing, when you're here, of course, you can take to dark mode in case that is what you wish. Okay, now you can also go, you can choose to hide this and this so that you have a big space for your lesson. So click on that. So now you notice that you only have this. So when you're done, you go ahead and comment something here. Now I'm going to talk about this. The reason as to why we tell you guys, please here comment, do this and that and so on, is this one also helps you to improve on your typing skills or your keyboard skills. Okay, so that is the reason as to why we advise that. So when you finish that lesson, also complete it. So, and you notice that every lesson you complete, of course, if it is a video, immediately that's to play. Okay, so when you complete a lesson, it is marked green. You notice the green tick, marked green. So that is how it works. So that is it. When you're done, just click on back. Then you can go to something else that you want. Okay, so how do you find lessons? You guys saw, you come to my courses, then your modules or lessons will be here. Sorry, your courses or modules will be here. We usually work in modules. If a course has 8 modules, you will have access one by one until all the 8 are done. Now, another thing, every lesson you mark as completed, you see now 23% complete. If I'm to go back, you also see that here. But also another beauty is, even when you're learning, let me say continue course, come back to that. And when you're learning and you get stuck, the beauty is you can click on that and ask a question here. So let's say Madam Hannah, you can come and ask her this, I need support on login via Magic URL, and you send it. Okay, but again, we advise that please don't send a message to a group, to an individual. Send a message to the class. So I'm going to show you the class, how the class works. All right. Right, I'm just taking some little water. So, so that is how it works. So you guys see, you can do an instant, you can ask for support instantly, and you receive that support as well. So from that, I'll go back to other. Let me come here. Okay. All right. So when I come here, my courses, of course, I have several courses and modules probably. So all my modules are here. So all your modules will be here as well. So every module finish, you can arrange them in oldest to latest. and you're able to see all of them here. You can go into dark mode, which at times in the night looks better. Maybe some of you might prefer that and might say, okay, for us, leave and present in the dark mode. I don't know, mute, okay? So they will be here. Of course, you've seen how you can open a lesson and so on. Now, especially Excel, we shall also have projects. So you'll be working on a module. Some modules will have projects, and a project, you can access the projects here. Now, even after the course, there will be some continuous projects that will be provided here. Okay, we shall talk about that. Here you see the total number of modules and courses that you have access to. All right, and everything, of course, will go on like that. All right. So from there, what else can we talk about? You can see, okay, a hand is up. Yes, Marvin.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Mtevi. I was asking, now having created that account already, everything I've started. Now, does this account work for all classes? If I am in a class of CF and a class of Excel, Analytic, and whatever. So does that account serve all those classes?
Yes. Marvin, you should be having access to more classes.
Oh.
You notice Excel, people are going to do Excel. We are still here. And so far, I think how many are there already? 32. So you notice already 32 members are there. Let me expand. All right. So 32 are there. And of course, many have just joined and they are not yet. Now soon I just orientation complete. Can see Mwange Alan. So then he shows that he completed.
Okay.
All right. So
yes.
Classes here, but also these classes have documents. Let's go to CF adults. Hope CF adults will not, they will not hammer me. So you already see Mungonge did this assignment. It is here. Here we advise you come and you say what it will encourage a member. I think members have not been here so much today. Now, this is how it works. In your class, there are these. These are all the modules that you're supposed to have. But every class has this live class. So let's say the way we are meeting right now, that this is recorded and shared with you. Are you guys getting my point? I think, let me just go back here. Okay. So these are recorded and shared with you. For example, in case I'm to click on live class, you guys will be able to notice this was a live class for yesterday, Introduction to AI. This is Computer Foundations, how to use a computer. And others, this was on internet browsers. For it, it wasn't. We introduced this, that now when we record, it comes here. So you can play it from here. So for example, I'm playing this module, right? So you can even go into full screen and you continue playing, all right? So everything, you'll find it here. Everything in your class, okay? Yes, sir?
A moment.
Yes.
Now, that video, in case I want to download it, maybe I go through it where there is no internet, just like on my PC, using any player. Am I able to download it?
Yeah. For example, you see this one. This one you can. We shall be providing those ones, okay, for you to download. Let me show you. I think this one. So there is always a button for download. I don't know why this one is not there. Okay, it is here. Download. Even here you can see it, it is here, okay? So you can download these lessons. So we put them to ease so that you keep everything on the platform. You get the point?
Yes.
So you come to TotMind and everything is there, okay? So that is in case you want just live classes there. Now, these ones, the rest of them represent assignments and projects for individuals. So for Excel, it's going to be quite a little bit different. not like here. Okay, so for example, assignments on what is a computer, people are displaying their specifications for the computer. You see this one, that is their specification, and so on and so forth. So you can see all that here. So guitar, you have a good machine. So you see people are liking, and we advise you guys, please go ahead and comment on what your friends have. So this one also has this one. So these assignments, this one you're required to test your specifications of your computer, come create a post in the class and put it there. So for us, we look at it. In case someone didn't do it well, then we come back and tell them, okay, improve here. What is the problem? Okay. And so on and so forth. Okay. So another thing here, you can actually respond to someone with a GIF. Where is it? Let's say I want to respond to here. You know those stickers, eh? I can put one dancing. Hey, so we want to just make sure that learning is fun, eh? So we don't have to make life complex. Learning has to be fun, absolutely fun. Okay, so we come here. Sometimes instead of spending time elsewhere, come learn something, and I'm sure as we all get along here, it is going to become more fun, and that is what we want. Okay, so you don't find this as a burden of class A2, you find it is joy for you to act in a class. Are you guys getting my point?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're still there. Okay, it's about people. Guys, please another person to unmute, and I feel like okay, I say a joke, Linda, Brenda, Anita.
Yeah, we are there live.
Anita Namuri.
We
Yes.
are here and we are listening.
Master, we
Hey.
We are listening.
Okay, great to have you guys. Now, I want to inform you again, for those of you who joined a little bit late, our normal WhatsApp that we've been communicating on, or still the line that receives the payment, the WhatsApp got an issue. You know, for us, we are always, to as much as possible, we are, we want to be honest in everything, okay? So that line, we've been receiving so many people want to join our one. So we have a big sales team. They have been conducting everything there. So I think some of you might send a message and say, I want to talk to know who also, and someone tells you wait. But at times also I'm on the standby. Someone says so and so wants to talk to you. Then I come and I talk to you. So we've been having a big team that has been handling the messages. So even you notice that you find we have like 800 people and everyone receives a message of a webinar, because a big team has been working behind now. One thing, I think WhatsApp, they misinterpreted like we are using a bot or something to send them many messages. So at the moment,
it happens. It happens. It will take some time, because it's like they want you to do WhatsApp business. If you receive bulk messages, then WhatsApp wants you to join WhatsApp business, because
it is WhatsApp business actually. Or they want you to verify.
Yes. They want to verify, yes.
So now my first battery has won. So I have to set up another. You have to set up another on another PC, so that once this one blacks out, I am ready. So we are saying that because you see, you guys are getting the point. Yeah. In the world of today, there are very few people who are to trust. And I don't blame people who are already leaving the group. We don't blame them. Okay? So so we are informing you that yes, we are still using the same number for mobile money, but now the number that is now active on the group is the number you're supposed to share your screenshot for confirmation. Are you guys getting the point? So as hopefully we wait for restoration, we pray that we get restored, and maybe that has been understood now.
Okay.
So next thing, I am being warned here, but I will continue until it blacks out. All right, so I was showing you how this works. So how do we submit assignments? Here, we don't work in isolation. Guys, there is no workplace where everyone locks themselves in their room, and after locking themselves in their room, they all work in the name of competition, such that whoever becomes best. And of course, there are some people who are like that at work, which is wrong. Okay? So, but here we encourage teamwork. We encourage that you work together. What, let's say this is Monge Alan or Sumaya. What Sumaya has submitted might actually teach me something. Okay? Are you guys getting the point? Even in Excel, you guys are going to submit spreadsheets and you did your thing. The one thing that we don't tolerate is for you to get someone's work and you make it your own. Guys, I repeat this. Don't get someone's work and make it your own. But look at what they have done. You can ask them, Chino shikozo otya. Are you guys getting the point? So we want to help each other even as we learn. To communicate clearly, to support each other, to learn from what another person has done. We become better by learning from what others are doing. I don't know if you guys are getting the point.
We getting.
Yes, so that is the thing. So how do you submit an assignment if there are no questions there? But of course, before I go any further, we share devotionals every day. Every day. Oh, these are reviews. I wanted devotionals. They are here. So every day we share devotionals. You can see today's devotion was here. So I can see Rubega and Charity. They are the people that responded to this. Okay. But everyone is welcome. You can like it. Okay, here we have different reactions. You can put any reaction that you feel. You can also see who has actually responded to this. So you can also participate, read through every day. These things are there, and they are there for all of us to grow together. All right, so reviews and testimonials, you can have a look at what other people have. We are lucky at the moment we have 4s and 5s. I don't know if there is a 1. We want also these things we want honesty. You go through a review and we want to understand. We're reviewing this because we want to improve and make this better and better and better. So you can see so many people are reviewing us here. Majority are giving us 5 stars, others are giving us 4 stars. So we base on this to make sure that we make the content or the material better. Serving and needs is a fair. Okay. So another thing, the journal, of course, here we usually put some of the journal updates. For example, ekimu kyetukiririzamu nti olulimi lw'ojjiramu lw'olina okugenderamu oluzungu. We should now, growth and development doesn't really entirely depend on the English, but also we teach in the English. But tubeera mu class, we can use any language that the group might prefer. Okay, any language the group prefers. Nera tubeera mu class nga twogera Luganda lwaffe. Are you guys getting the point? But remember, the world is now a global village. Okay. So ekyo tukikola such that everyone understands what's up. Okay. Naye, but I'll stop sharing since I don't need to unshare just the window, such that when I switch back, this doesn't have to look weird. So okay, so Tagura Godfrey is saying something there. So we just do that for that case. Okay. So nerecho chetutagala tutye tuli waneno, we are here as a family. So that is why even the devotionals, we share them as family devotionals. This can actually work for your family. Nemutulanga family nemusoma, and you learn and share some things together as a family. Same thing we want here. Tetwagala competition. When opportunities come, we all want to share these opportunities and so on and so forth. Okay?
Yes.
So I'll continue to social. Now social, it is your birthday. So you guys feel free to tell us, guys, it's my birthday. Okay. For example, this young man on this day said it was his birthday. Then Fad also said something in social. So here, feel free to post something. But again, guys, temu posting a pornography, temu posting those other things. Let us post things that ebitesitaza. Ndifenna, all of us can do what? Can benefit this. So you can see it was his birthday. I think so. It was a Merry Christmas. I think this one, it was a birthday here. So feel free, it is your birthday. Come to social, put something. We all come and say happy birthday, Marvin, happy birthday, Rachel, happy birthday, Hadija, and so on. Okay? Just a moment. Okay, sorry about that. So share something here. Let's be here. Let's learn as a family. Let's not portray any form of competition. We are all here to learn. Now another thing, Bobelo inachoman, you see, I'm going to tell you this world of technology. There are so many things you guys know that I don't know. There are some things I know that you don't know. Are we together, guys? Okay. Yes, like Muganga Fad says, yes, we can make this our everyday thing. Nainga tumani tuli waneno kuiga, tuli waneno kusharing, tuli waneno kuimproving, opportunities come, let's share. For example, bagendo Excel. After the course, guys, we are going to share how you're going to find opportunities out of the Excel. Are you guys getting my point?
Yes.
So let us find that, okay? Yofunye skill chiddako kyogenda gifuna muki. Mwabali kumirimu. When you get these skills, I'll be so happy to hear that Annette Birungi is now, because of the skill they got, she's here. And another thing, we are going to move not so fast. For example, we can even say this week we are handling this module. Guys, if your friend is lagging behind, you, instead of saying, for me at the next module and so on, let us support each other. Okuberanga will get up to what? Up to speed. Are we guys together?
Yes, we are together.
Is, I think guys that have been with us notice, sometimes we can get on a call and I tell guys, please so and so take lead. There are even moments, Rubega and others, they are saying, guys, let's meet for discussion. You don't need to have me all the time for you guys to discuss. Are we together? You can even choose to say, let's have a call. On the platform, you can have a call. We are going to have this Google Meet. In case you guys want to record, you're going to choose amongst yourselves an admin. Are we clear? Then that person can be the admin. They can do recordings. You can access that recording and so on. So let us build a family here. And a family etakoma kufuna skill yo kanti. After semakula abera inaka gig, aja kubira Marvin over Annette Birungi. Annette, do you have some time we do this? And of course, after some time, sometimes people, okay, there are some things I don't want to say because sometimes they raise people's expectations and also some also budget entitlement. But telling you, Excel itself has lots of opportunities. So when you come here, it's okay, calm down, okay? Share with others, support others also to grow so that we can go. Bobero yagalo gende walagenda nebano. You guys know that proverb? Bobero yagalo genda mangu genda chi? Weka. So if we yes, someone says that they have gained already from the shortcuts. So this one, we said, we were telling you guys, please make the payment and so on. Confirm, register, you get access to the first two modules. What are modules biri zetwagala musoke mukole? How to use a computer and file management. So those two modules, zigenda kuba wako some tips of being fast, being efficient, the shortcuts and so on. Some of those things are really good, especially if you are doing that day-to-day life. So that is why at times before you to start on embarking on all this stuff of Gig Excel, of course, a computer itself is a skill that should be or that must be embraced. Are we together, guys?
Yes, we are together.
All right, that's great. So I don't know, some people are just leaving the group instead of joining the class, but it is really understandable. Okay. All right. So that's it. So we are going to see how can you actually submit an assignment. Let's say under CF Adults, there are several assignments. So assuming now I am on, let's say, internet browsers and so on, and there is this assignment. So how do I go about it? So social, like we said, social is for general stuff. Okay. General, not about, it's just general about life, this and that, maybe Kavos, Rugambo, I don't know, whatever. But let us stay in our lanes, okay? Respectfully, okay. And yeah. So assuming that is the assignment I'm working on, you're going to come to, there is this that says what's happening. If you're Lubega, it will say Lubega. If you're whatever, so it will say what's happening, Nohu. So come here. Now put your heading, let's say, browser say examples, or what I can say search engine assignment. Okay. During my research, yesterday we talked about how we can use AI to improve our writing, our grammar, and so on. And also in Excel, we shall learn how to use AI such that maybe you can better your writings, for the formulas and so on. So we shall learn some bit of that as well. Today, if you're learning, we learn the foundations, know what you should do, know how, but let AI just improve. Because at times, if you don't know what to do, AI won't help. During my research, I found these 3 search engine examples. So you go ahead and list them and talk more about them. Then after that, you're going to select a module topic or rate. So you click on this, then you say this assignment is under internet browsers and that. Then also another thing at times we do is you select here, you can attach a picture. So sometimes you tell you attach a screenshot. Now in Excel, in most cases, we might have to attach a file. So you can see upload document. So you can click on that, then you can click on this one. You go ahead and select your file and paste it there. Then members, after that, let's say, let me just add, okay, let me just add, what can I add there? Let me create an Excel here and just use it for demonstration purposes so that people can get to understand what exactly we're talking about. Okay. All right, so I'm going to save this and I'm going to save it on my desktop. So I'll look at that, get desktop, testing, 1, 2, 3. Then I save that. Now I'm going to come back here. Ngende could drop a file. Wobero file in our Gina, you can minimize and drop it there. If not, just click there. Then Genda could desktop. Mine is on desktop. Testing 1, 2, 3 here. And you notice it is loading and my file is here. Then when Maze, you guys won't see this because this one is for our end. And also you can't see this. So you post. So after posting, you can see it here, but also when you go to documents, you can see it under documents, okay? So any person can come back, like it is here when you hover it. Here, there is this download. When you click on it, your file will be downloaded and you can be able to open it from wherever you're downloading it from. So I want to come back this side and ask Guys, is the process... Oh, are we on? Okay. Guys, is the process of submitting an assignment clear to you?
Yeah. Mr. Mutebi.
Yes, sir.
I'm requesting for some pardon because I saw you clicking under that module of internet browsers. Then down to like create a post. So I got lost from somewhere.
Oh. Okay. Okay, let me come back here. So what's happening is you put your title. Are we together? You put some write-up. For example, you saw mine was search engine assignment. You can do that into title. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Mutebi, I don't want to be...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know whether colleagues are seeing, but I don't seem I don't seem to see what you're sharing. I don't know if the other colleagues are seeing.
Hey, I think your internet, my friend.
Yeah, we can see what he's sharing.
I think it's your internet. You could try to exit and join again. Eh? I think that could be of help. Okay. It is internet. It is internet issue. So you put some write-up. Mine is here, like that. Then after that, you have to select a module or topic. So this assignment is for which module? For example, Excel, the first module is getting started with Excel. Okay. So you select that and you select the module for which the assignment is. Actually, let's go back here, my courses and internet browsers and websites. Then there are some assignments. There is this assignment. Okay, so usually our assignments instructions are there. So are you guys all seeing this?
Yeah, we are able to see it.
Okay. So these are instructions. Open your favorite browser. You open browser. Open 3 separate tabs in your browser. You open them. In each tab, type advantages, carefully read, and results. So next steps, compare the information, decide which search engine provides the clearest and most understandable explanation. Then after that, you just tap to expand. Are you seeing that? For more information. So Google tab with search results. So you take screenshots for each of these. Are we together? Then after submission, create a post in the stream and share. Now, you guys, for your case, it will be Excel for AP class. When you click on this, have you seen that?
Yeah, we've seen it.
So when you click in that link, it takes you straight away to where you're supposed to submit your assignment. So it comes straight to CF Adult and you're able to create your post. Is it clear now? So then you
put clear, very, very clear.
You put the title there. After that, you put what your findings are there. Now, since these are screenshots, pictures, you click on this icon. Now, it is only files that you click on, document, upload document. Are we together, guys? Get the difference, okay? In case you have pictures, just select pictures. I'm going to click on that. You guys won't see what is behind here. I'm going to select several of them. 3 of them. Then click on OK. So they are loaded now. Okay, so you see they are now being added. Okay, now all of them are there. After that, I'll just click on post. So assuming, now you see what is happening now. Did you see that?
Error. You didn't select me.
Around here?
You did not select
now, I think, was it you, Marvin, who faced that?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't select the module, the module for which this is for, it won't allow. Let's say this is for internet browsers. Then now, did you guys see I selected?
Yes.
So you click on this, then you can select a module. Then after, post. Now you see telling me duplicate, post. Because I'm the same person, the same title. You notice this? Then I can say 1. So these are some of the things you guys are going to face. So, but these are minor things. So when you face that, just come to the group. You see, the beauty is the group is always here. Let's say Excel and come and say, guys, I cannot. Okay, let's utilize the social because people have been here. Okay, so this is the social. So you can come and say, someone to help me upload my stuff. You've seen that. So I'm sure all of you guys have received this. Not so?
Yes.
So available, someone can come and say, so let's get on a call. Now let me show you, I will show you something else. So let me first post this. Then I'm going to show. So you can see, people have seen what I've posted. So you can see what I've seen. Okay. So after that, I'll just click on. So you can close this and also minimize this. So message, so you just click on it to open it, expand and minimize. So after I click on post, duplicate post. Okay, so you've seen that. So this is how your post is going to look like. And I think you guys can see how beautiful it is.
Yes, yes.
Just click on it, it expands. Chichi, you see, Chichi? So you keep next, 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 next. So you see what's happening, right?
Yeah.
So that is how easy it is for you to submit your assignment. Are we together, guys? All right. Now after that, I think we can look at what if you are in a group, all of you, and you don't want to utilize Google Meet. Okay. This is in my inbox. What is
Jita.
Jita confusing. So you can come this side and there is this Excel. So now you can meet here as a group. Now everyone online, let's go to social. I see 13 people under social. So you can start an audio chat or a video chat. So if you are online, join this audio chat. You'll find this blue button, a green button after. You see how the audio chats work? So however much right now we are utilizing Google Meet, we are now able to also meet on the platform. We don't have to leave the platform. In case we want to do recordings, that is when we can be there. So Jita join the audio chat and others also join. I see if you're on the platform in social, go to social. You see, you see Alan has joined. So all of us can be piled. Let's say Excel class is likely to have like 50 or 60 members. So all of us there. Are we together? So you can do a discussion there. So you come, unmute, discuss, and so on. One of you can even share. Now the beauty with this audio chat in the group, 10 people can share their screens. Everyone is seeing what everyone else is doing. You just scroll down and life becomes so easy for you. Are we guys together?
Yes, we are together.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So after that, you can just exit. So there is this exit, but also we can share a screen. The same way we've been doing it the other side in Google. Entire screen, you tap that, then share is active. And now you notice that now my screen is being shared. So whoever that is online now, they are seeing my screen. Are we together, guys? So even Muonge can also share. Muonge, if you're there, if you are on the laptop now, guys, we only share a screen on the laptop at TotMind Schools. Bovera tori ku laptop, you cannot share a screen for reasons best known that you're supposed to be on your laptop. Toina kubera ku simu ng'otugamba kati kino tekikola. Are you guys getting my point? So you should have your laptop on and such that people help you. So if you're on, I see 18 people are here. Please, you try to join the audio chat. Either tap on this or you will see something like join audio chat. You will see a green button. Tap on it. If not, join chat or audio chat or whatever. So just tap on it, the green button, and you'll be able to join here. So all of us can line up. So I can be here trying to demonstrate. You can go into full screen. So you can see that is the full screen. But of course, I'm sharing there is a mirror. You can also do this back, bring it up. Now, the most interesting thing here about these chats, you see Google Meet once we are done with the class. Are we together? All of these chats you guys see here, where I'm saying hello, okay? All the chats here are going to expire. They are going to go away. Do you guys notice that? Those chats will go away after the class. But the beauty with the platform here, even if you are on a live class, okay, I have several tried to go off and back, but my internet is very poor. By the way, on the platform, sometimes the internet is not lag. So I don't know, Dale, if you can try to join here. Here, the internet can be cool. Someone is saying I can also have to help if, okay. This one is, okay. So are we getting the point? So that is how it works. I can see it Mwanguzi Michael. Yes, Michael. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Guys, you can see something like this. Join audio chat. So you tap on this one, then you're able to join the class. So you see, all other people are now here. I think you guys can now see my screen better. So all others are here. So even if we are 40 also, all of us will be there lined up.
Something.
So Mangus, as if you are asking something.
Something.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm trying here to access social, but it is saying that I'm not allowed to access the platform.
Are you logged in?
Yeah.
First, refresh your account and see if you're fully logged in.
Because I can access all my courses, my profiles.
Okay.
But if I try to access social center, they bring item not found, please return to home, then error, something like that.
It's something.
Yes, sir.
Nange kenyini sirabawo enjoying it out. I'm in the social center.
And the audio chat one person has to start an audio chat. One of you will have to start an audio chat. Let's say here, I'll tap on it. Oh, no, not it is already started. Eh? So if you don't see it, just tap on this audio chat. You'll be able to join. If you don't see the button, so when I exit, that button will come. Join audio chat. When I join, it goes away. But in case you don't see that, let's say I exit, I can still click on join audio chat and I join. You see? So that is how you can see others are here. So that is how it works. Okay. So I think that's it for tonight. So we have events. Probably I'll talk about events. So events is, for example, the event we had today, Philip enrolled. Okay,
Mr. Muteri.
All events.
Mr.
Yes.
Muteri.
Yes, sir.
Now, you spoke of something that I never got clearly.
Yes,
you said that only sharing the screen on this platform is allowed using a laptop. Now, yes. my laptop has the battery is not all that good, but I can use a desktop. So can it allow sharing using a desktop?
It can, as long as your desktop has a microphone working.
Okay, but it does not have a camera, but it has a microphone.
As long as the microphone is on, all is well.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So you guys who began with us, you noticed there was an event. So because we don't want confusion, when the event is done, it is removed. but that one we shall make sure that even the old events are there. So you can find, let's say, Excel course starts, it will be there, so and so on. Then we have the wall of fame. Now this wall of fame, Lubega bakujjewo baba. Lubega Lubega omwana yaleese omuliro wano. So Lubega all time is Anna Mulungi, Anna Blessing, then Lubega, then Nanyans all time. So this month, last 30 days, they are here, but now this week, Lubega is always the leader on the wall of fame. So now this wall of fame is about people that support others, that encourage others, okay? Akram soon, ogenda twetagawana efe na laptop okusoma obulungi, or a computer for us to be effective. So wall of fame is for those people that contribute to the community, TotMind Schools community. You encourage others. You notice Rubega atera okukomentinga ku bintu by'abantu, atera okulikinga, even the lessons themselves. Guys, comment on the lesson. Every lesson you should comment. Share what you've learned basically. Kikuyambako first of all okuyiga, okusummarizing byokoze. And of course there are so many other things you are going to put in the near future. Jakwango solo kukola notes zo kuno. As you're learning, then you take your notes aside here on the platform. So there are so many things that we are still working on and thinking about to make sure that this one becomes really the best place that anyone can learn or anyone can go to and acquire the skills that they need. Okay. So for that case, I'm going to end it here. I am sure everyone now can learn and master. But one more thing, we are reworking something here. There are things I didn't want to talk about because very soon they might go away, like enabling push notifications. Now, when someone sends me a message, I get a notification. The way WhatsApp pop-up comes. So when you install this, install your app, also put it on your phone and enable those notifications. For example, these issues like what we have today, WhatsApp just banning us or blocking us, and they are just a bit unfair. Eh? So for us, we are building this, that communication can happen here without having all those hurdles and so on. So some of those things just kill people's reputation, which is really so bad, okay? So, but of course, we just thank God for everything. So enable your notifications so that you don't miss out on anything. We send a message, a pop-up will come, or under notifications, when you scroll down, you'll see it. For example, I can say everyone that comes in, I get a little pop-up. Okay, so-and-so has joined this and this. Someone sent you a message and so on. So for you to do that, you go to your profile, then you go to notifications. Then after that, you can scroll down to the bottom and now click on enable notifications. Then after enabling them, not subscribed, I'll enable again. So after enabling, it will tell me subscribed. Then after that, you test them. Ojafuna manual push here. Okalabye kano. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Oh, it's actually outside the system, but I get a notification. Let me actually share my screen again. Entire screen. Then you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. So when I enable notifications, then after that, I test the notification. So you're going to see a pop-up here. When I share entire screen, the pop-up doesn't come. Those are some of the Google privacy things. So if I share entire screen on my phone, it comes, but here it doesn't. But now when I share again, just that window, it comes. I'm sure you guys, if you've tested, it has come on your end, not so? So actually, after now, it comes after I disable the entire screen. So you enable them and you're able to receive real-time notification. Using the platform is not hard because you can go into dark mode. It is not hard. Most of the time, you're going to need to go to your courses. You click there, you find them. Okay, the active ones. All right. So another time, you're going to need either to use this to communicate or use this. So most of the time we are going to be here, but also there are some of these notifications here. So you can see Waswa loved the live class, then Jita loved that, then this one commented on, this is one of the modules, such everything. Okay, so some of those ones I get them. So another thing for the new members, most of the lessons here are video lessons. So I want to emphasize this. When you're watching a video lesson, don't watch like you're watching NTV Live at 9 or NBS. So watch, pause, try to do what you've seen, pause, continue, pause, go ahead, and so on and so forth. So that is how it works. So some people just want to watch, then, you know, because the fact that you can easily click on complete lesson, guys, like I told you, this is for our own good. Don't just do to finish and get a certificate, okay? Do something that will also take you to another level. One more thing I'll talk about are the certificates. So here, oh, not yet there. So it will be there. Let me share something here. Let me just share, I think, entire screen such that we can see that. All right. So when you finish your course, the certificate is going to come here. Here, where you see. Okay. So this is a certificate. You can download this certificate, a picture. You see that picture is there. You see, if you want. But also we tell you just copy, you can print it if you want also, your certificate. Okay, so you can set these things, maybe landscape, maybe and so on. So, but you can just copy this and let's say I come here, I'm going to paste for you the link so that all of you can have a look at how the certificate will look like. Everyone, when you finish a course, that will come automatically to you in your inbox. Congratulating you, you can download it, you can share it. The employers, you can show them that I studied and I have my certificate. So I think that's it. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and now we can have, oh, those that were here before, the events look like this. So in case anyone posts anything, it comes. So new post, you can tap on it and you see that post. Okay. That is it for now, guys. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Should I even stop sharing? I'll just share the platform again. So I pray that this ends. Okay, so I'll share the platform, come back this side, then I come back to you guys, and I ask you for any questions. Yes, Excel, we are starting officially Feb 1st. Those who have enrolled now and they have made their payment and so on, you're going to receive access to those two modules. You will still have access to them. Feel free. And still, you can do what? You can always ask for help. Okay. Go through them, finish them. You will still have access to them until the end of this course. So in case you want to revisit and learn something small, go back, revisit, become efficient, work with Excel well, and so on and so forth. So that's it for now, guys. May God bless us all. I now welcome questions, if any, such that we can see how to proceed. Yes.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Mtevi, for the work well done. Actually, I appreciate your effort for whatever you are doing for our benefit. I have just a few questions. In that new class, actually, for Excel, I would like to know how many modules are going to be in that course for Excel. And then two, where for this other class of CF for adults, in case you have not completed the 80 modules and the time has caught you, for example, you said that it normally takes around 8 weeks. 8 weeks? Okay. So what are the repercussions or what are the implications behind that? Because we don't perceive at the same rate. Some people are a little bit occupied with work. So I want you to put some light on that.
So here we are here not to make you not finish what you started. We are here to support you finish. So just make sure that your reasons are really valid. Do your best to finish on time. In case you get caught up because of time and so on, we are humans, just talk to us, okay? There are a few other things. All of you will finish. We are not going to let anyone not finish, okay? Now let me tell you a secret. The classes, live classes moving on, are going to be for about 8 weeks. And actually on Sundays when we are supposed to discuss the Excel stuff, when are we supposed to have the class? This is general, everyone is here. Though a few people came, they thought it was just for the Excel class. You guys are going to decide, should we have our lessons on Saturday and Sunday, the live classes? The general ones, you guys can always meet and discuss on your own free time. You can say, should we have them on Tuesday and Thursday? When should we have them? So you guys are going to discuss. Should we have them 2 days, 1 day? So depending, because like some of you are here, Marvin, you see how things work. You always have access to the content. We just had, when they closed the internet here, one of our servers was affected. The one that had the module, you guys are supposed to cover that one. So we are resolving all that. You know, in Africa, we just have to be lenient with each other, eh? Because in Africa, there are things some Bazungu do and only someone behind the scenes can know, eh? For example, it takes a lot of time for those guys to approve you to put your app on Apple, on Google, and that is why for us, we have to look out for our way out of doing our things, which is legal. You get the point. So what is I think at times they don't just, no wonder they don't pay TikTokers in Uganda and some of those countries. I think that is done on purpose. Eh? They want us to just overly depend on them. All will be well. Okay? So, everyone will do whatever that they are supposed to do. So on Saturday, during our live class officially, because some people are going to watch the recording to catch up with it, then others. So we don't want to decide. We've not even known whether all the people here are the people who are supposed to be in the Excel class. So on Sunday evening, 8 p.m. still, that is when we are going to meet as the class for Excel. Are we clear, guys? Then in that class, that is when you guys are going to decide, let us have our live classes on this day. You have the liberty to decide and a few other things. I hope that is okay. But I assume everyone will finish because bonobera tumaliriza oba class wenagiramu class eyinza okusaba negamba batwongereyo omwezi naki, we shall grant that. You should not worry. But we don't want you to be lazy. Are you guys getting my point?
Yes.
I'm lazy not kumaliriza byolina kukola because you feel after all bagenda kumpachi
certificate.
And another thing before you come in, another thing, please don't just do these things for certificate. Guys, I beg you. Please don't do these things for a certificate. Do this for a skill. Because let me tell you this, don't we get degrees? Don't we? Huh? But you see, you finish all the years out of school. So let us not take this just like any other degree into ofunye paper. Chifune chipepa chonga. Gwoke nyini webakulaba kotebetaga na kubuza paper. I don't know if you guys get it.
Yeah.
Not pride, not
We are getting it.
teri ayinza kunsanga ku TikTok nga nsomesa oba they want me to train their organization and they start to ask for me now, which qualifications do you have, which, are you getting the point? Huh?
Yeah.
Though I am not lessened,
yeah.
I'm also getting those qualifications. I'll go get a PhD next year and so on. But those things is civil ombudsman. A skill is a skill. So get your skill. That is what Bambi, I beg you. I just beg you. All right.
Okay.
Emma, your hand is up.
You have not answered the other question.
Oh,
I asked you. Listen to it.
yes, sir.
Nakubuuza module mmeka ezigenda okubeera mu Excel.
Yeah, Excel in about 7 modules. But Excel is full of projects. Yeah. So now Excel, like I told you, I wanted us to discuss that morning Sunday. Wow, it is. Tugenda kuyiga from the basics. Excel chechi bamu installing abachani ya mukola. I get how do we customize also sanga abantu amunga Excel wa black. Are you getting? What is a cell, what is a range, what is a column, what is a row, how do you enter data? How are you getting the point? You guys are going to learn Excel from zero. Wanene wabera already amanyinga aliko another level, and you want to be part of us. Just be patient with us, because tetwagala kulekayo anything. Now buli kimu kyogenda okukola bwe tunamala module bweti nga tukola project eyinza nayo kubeera wali separate nga project nga bwogimala kati ndana ekintu ekirala kyengenda. I don't know if some of you saw our status on when was it? There is a status we posted on I've forgotten, about building a portfolio and so on. That is a bonus you guys will have. Each one of you, after the end of this, you'll have your own website with your portfolio. Ngoli omuweereza na mulaga nti eno project nakola eno in Excel. Nenkola eno. So all those things, okay? So again, that's a project base. We go through a module. After that, we do a project.
That summarizes the course.
The module. Fetugenda na module. Course eyinza obeera modules musanvu naye buli module ebeerako project eyayo covering ebyo bye tuyize. Nti bwe tuvaawo ne tugenda ku ndala kati ojja kusanga nga module ey'okubiri etwaliramu ebya module 1, ng'ey'okusatu etwaliramu ey'okusatu, ey'okubiri n'ekola ki? N'esooka. Kati otuuke waggulu nga naawo nga bw'okwata project n'ogizimba. For example, muyinza olaba wano leero ayogera ku conditional formatting, wali ayogera ku validation, wali biyinza okuba biri mu module omu oba module za njawulo. Naye kati otukeera nga osobola okukwata project n'okozesa different tools n'ozimba ki? Project.
In other words,
step by step. Buli omu ategeera ekirina okukolebwa bulungi, then we go.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Emma.
Nze mbadde mbuuza nti tukaanyiza na Sunday naye budde ki?
8 p.m., 8:30 p.m., same time. Wano tuyiga same time.
Sunday 8:30,
kumba amasannyalaze gakomyewo dda gange nga sigalamu. 8:30 p.m. Yes, sir. Amavini oleke abalala babuuzeeko. Yes, Dale. Guys, you can mute if you're not talking. There is a Dale.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes, Dale, gracias.
Yes, there's the one on.
Yes, sir.
I was inquiring. Anyway, thank you so much. The first question, I think you have answered it, because I was inquiring when do we have the live session, the live sessions, which you have told us maybe Sunday, and we can agree when we meet. But I also needed to know whether we have a fixed time when we meet, because we need to plan accordingly. If we like today, I know we begin at about 8:30, we'll come up to 10. Is that normal how it will run? That is maybe about 1 hour and a half or 2, so that we know if I'm coming in for that session, then I can know I'm going to be in for this period of time.
That is right. We try as much as possible to do it in 1.5 hours, but at times it can go to 2 hours. So oluusi biyinza okuwanvuwamu tetugamba nti tulina kukoma wano. If people still have questions okujjako nga biri beyond what we are supposed to cover, then we can push it to another day. But yes, usually it goes up to 8:30. Kakati ngenda kubasaba guys who are here. After here, go convince people on the group that tetuli bachi.
Bafere.
Are we together, guys? Because it is unfortunate that people this group had actually 800 over 20. Now about 20 people have left. So please go tell them these guys sibachi, sibafere. We are here to revolutionize how we receive, how we learn technology skills in Uganda. Okay, and we can't do that alone. All right. Eh? Okay, there is also the other group of 105. I think some people those who were expressing interest in Gatubagamba agenda moyo group, okay? Now I'm oh my God. For how long have you not been hearing me?
Like against
Mumpulira?
Amazina akomawo.
Wait. Mukomye kumpulirirawo?
Dakika nga 10 emabega.
No, 1 minute, it's just like a few seconds.
Okay. Okay. I was saying.
I start from 105 group something.
So I don't know how many people are in that group. I don't know how many of you here are in that group. Anyone here in that group? I know that one of 45, Dewo is there, and others. I'm gone again.
No, you're there. You're on, please.
Oh, okay. So those, Mr. Mutel. Yes, sir.
More clarification. What is it all about? Like,
I'm in the group of Excel TOT, and then the other one of 800.
Kati oli mu Excel TOT. Excel TOT erimu abantu bameka?
Mbadde sinajja navigating kubanga people are still coming.
No, that one. Oli kwene ya Excel class TOT, eh?
Yes, sir.
Ya capital letters.
Say ya capital letter.
Ya small letters. Kati mwe ya small letters gundi Marvin ataddemu linki. Kaje mugendo tappingamu okujja kweno. Until WhatsApp is us, eh? Kati ensonga lwaki there are people in the other group of 125 that wanted to do what? So we want you guys to tell them there is another group gye basobola okujoininga abo balina interest oba seekyo, they make their payment and share the receipt on this new number. I don't know if you get it, eh? But also we shall share that in the main group. So kubanga abantu kati eri abali eyo abamu bambi nga yayagadde dde okujja afune skill naye ate biri bw'alaba eri n'asoma nga tubagamba WhatsApp yaffe n'agamba bano baki bafere, which is not the case, eh?
Okay, kai tugenda kikola.
All right, so you can do in this main group of Excel course first na ziri endala eya 105 especially n'eri endala, so abali eri bonna bajje wano such that we can meet here. All right. So Madam Hannah, could you say hello and people hear you? She's supposed to onboard those who are lost, and also she does a lot of admin work. Then also other team members do other things. Yes. Are you there?
Madam Hannah like I was.
Oh. And now let me have some ladies here to say word. I see Naomi. I see.
Madam
Anna is a person.
Why you don't call it a voting watcher in a WhatsApp group? Before we even meet on Sunday, the true voting, we can vote through that WhatsApp. We shall start from that WhatsApp.
Alanti mwino joining a group empya
nze kyendowooza ku Sunday tusooke tulabe ku Sunday what happens nga we tuli buli omu asobola okwogera lively, then wasobola okupulaninga for anything kuba bonna adding omuntu for example tomorrow morning baki nomu adding mu group ate n'asangamu voting lowooza n'aba votinga for what exactly?
Ayinza n'obuta votinga nga tabitegeera. Tajja na kugisanga voting.
Exactly. So,
okay. All right. I think we can end the call. So I'm going to stop the recording.
Excuse me.
Marvin.
Yes.